Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Villeroy Boch Piemont 4-piece cutlery set. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a 4-piece table cutlery set by Villeroy Boch. This is from their Piemont range, which has a simple and modern design. And taking a look around the back of the box, there are some product details about this 4-piece cutlery set, and it consists of a dinner spoon, a dinner fork, a dinner knife, and an after dinner teaspoon. So just taking one quick look around the box. And now let's go ahead and open it up. Well, of course, pulling out the tab at the top and flipping up that box flap. And let's tip the contents of this 4-piece table cutlery set out, and making sure nothing else is left in the box. We can put the box to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side of the frame, right there, and just setting the contents out across the tabletop in the order displayed on the box packaging itself. So there we go. So we have the dinner fork on the left, the dinner knife on the left, dinner fork next to it, dinner spoon, and the after dinner teaspoon right there, or coffee spoon. So it's a 4-piece set by Villeroy Boch, which is from their Piemont range. Let's remove the contents from their clear plastic packets or wrappers. So as you can see, that they are kind of okay. So these packets aren't sealed, but there we go. That's the dinner fork out, just to show you that even the packets are branded with the Villeroy Boch branding right there. And let's continue to unpack the rest of the items. So followed with the dinner fork, dinner spoon, that's the dinner spoon, and after dinner teaspoon right there, or coffee spoon. So we have this 4-piece set from the Piemont range by Villeroy Boch, laid neatly across the tabletop. So giving you a nice good look at this simple yet modern table cutlery set. So giving you that close-up look right now. I'm going to handle all 4, and then we can take a close-up look at all of them individually. So giving you a look at this lovely 4-piece set, which has a simple yet modern minimalist design to them, and you can hear how they click and clang in my hands. And showing you the reverse side as well. Not sure how much you can see, but nonetheless, always good to give you a group picture or video this way, and later on individually. And you can see how shiny they are with a lovely high polish finish to them. Okay, now I think this is the better bit where I handle each of them in close-up detail, where you can see the finer detail and finishing to each of these pieces of cutlery or table cutlery right there. Okay, so this is the Villeroy Boch Piemont 4-piece cutlery set. So now starting off with the dinner fork, dinner knife, getting all my pieces of cutlery mixed up, but here giving you a look up close at the detail and finish of the dinner knife. So you can see high finish, simple, clean design, really fuss-free and minimalist. And one thing that people tend to overlook as well when it comes to cutlery is the balance and feel of the cutlery, of course. And let's get the focus to come back on. So giving you a look right there. And in terms of weight and feel, feels really nice. In terms of balance, it feels the weight is somewhat more weighted towards the rear of the knife, but nonetheless it seems alright, not overly weighted towards the rear, but nonetheless has a nice good grip and feel to it. So that's the dinner knife from the Piemont range. And moving on, this is the dinner fork, or just fork, and just giving you that close-up look as well in just a moment once the camcorder gets its focus right on. So a close-up look at the fork. So hopefully giving you that nice good detail as well. Always tricky for any camcorder to focus on shiny objects, but I'm doing my best here, and so is the camcorder, to give you a nice good look at this piece of tableware in the form of a dinner fork here. So you can see a nice, once again, minimalist kind of design, pure and simple, nice, clean and fuss-free, without any ornate kind of finishing. And once again, over here you see the Villeroy and Boch stamping mid handle right there of the dinner fork. So giving you a nice good look all round. So once again, nice fine finish with a high polish of this dinner fork. And you can see it does have quite a nice long handle to it as well. In terms of balance, nice and beautifully balanced that fork is, and mind that crash right there. And moving on to the next item, which is the dinner spoon. So giving you once again that nice close-up look at the dinner spoon. So you can see, once again, of course, that high polish finish as you'd expect so far, and nice smooth edges. And if we can get the camcorder to focus once again. And there we go. So overall, nice, good finish. Once again, consistent in terms of grip and handle. And just to show you the pair side by side, of course, fork and spoon, lengthwise, you can see that it is pretty much identical in length and in grip as well. So nice, good grip and feel to them. And moving on, of course, we have the after dinner teaspoon or coffee spoon, depending on your drink of choice. And let's get the camcorder to focus once again. So there we go. Nice and clear, and once again, beautiful, clean design, very simple and elegant with that contemporary look, giving you that shape of that teaspoon right there, or coffee spoon. Once again, you get the Villeroy and Boch stamping on the underside of the mid handle. So that's the entire 4-piece set right there by Villeroy and Boch from the Piemont range. And once again, just giving you that close-up look with all 4 pieces together. So mind your ears just in case I drop them or smash them against each other by accident. I can assure you that it won't be intentional, but nonetheless, just giving you that look right there to this 4-piece set from the Piemont range by Villeroy and Boch. So I'm just going to span or spread them a bit more so they're nice clear view, but nonetheless not the easiest thing to do with a camcorder and tripod in the way, and of course doing it so very carefully right here. See if I can get the handles nicely spread out. Okay, so I think that's a pretty fine job there, trying to show you this 4-piece cutlery set. And I think I can just spread it just a bit more right there, so nothing, whoops, and there we go, just drop the dinner knife on the ground. And let's see, it's still in good shape, no damage there, as you'd expect. That was just a light fall anyway, but nonetheless you can see this beautiful 4-piece cutlery set by Villeroy and Boch from their Piemont range. And this time around I'm going to set them up in the right manner. Okay, so there we go. Right up there. So you have a nice good look at this 4-piece cutlery set. So that's the Villeroy and Boch Piemont 4-piece cutlery set. Thanks for watching and happy dining!